I have never seen such a cool wild survival. I live in a tree hole hut transformed from a 1,000-year-old tree, eating pheasant food caught by hand. Even if there's a blizzard outside, this shelter is also equipped with northeast artillery. Let you easily withstand the low temperature of -20 degrees. Keep every day warm as spring. Today, Nobita came to the mountains to hunt and found a collapsed 1,000-year-old tree. You can see that the space below is not small, and there's a mound wall behind it. It's a good place to make a shelter. And he said, "Go to the river. Find a tree here that doesn't want to live." Fulfill his wish directly with sentences, and there is a round valley with a hand drill when he goes out. Let Nobita punch holes in tree trunks. Then insert the collected branches into the fixed. It didn't take long for him to make a trip to the outer wall. And the wall male chose to use the fallen tree. Make this wood useful again. During transportation, he also found some moss salt. It's the best insulation in the wild. When is it not thin to fill the gap? Just a layer of moss and a layer of logs. Soon he had the perfect wall. Straight wood looks very comfortable. Nobita didn't want to move at all when he lay down, as he piles up the other side. The second snow of winter is coming quietly. The duration of this snow is not small. Fortunately, Nobita already has a sealed space. Wait for the follow-up weather to improve. He started digging inside the cave to make a fireplace and a bed, considering it's still cold this season. So when customizing the bed frame, it has a large groove reserved in the middle. It is convenient to make heat conduction pipes later. After finishing, Nobita continued to find wooden sticks. Draw a circle on the ground first, and then insert the branch into the ground. Quickly get an exhaust pipe. And then they're staggered. But if you want to pour out the smoke, it works better. Naturally, there are ceiling gaps. In this part, Nobita chose to use clay. Of course, the bed frame cannot be ground either. In this way, the heat in later life can be tiled against the crown. Finally, Nobita tiled out the cover. And still smeared with clay. A simple version of the Chinese-style heated kang is completed. Waiting time to air dry. He continued to use the TV display to seal gaps and build walls for the front door. He first fixed the rope and used the snowball as a measuring tool. Then punch holes in the corresponding positions. Make a door to scale. It opens and closes very well. The other side is made a little differently. I saw him cutting the flowers and trees into small pieces, and then a whole bunch of moss. Nobita is very fast. These are the stakes he used to build the walls. This thickness must keep you warm and strong. It didn't take long for Nobita to be fully laid. Looks very comfortable. The remaining moss naturally fills the cracks in the door. Otherwise, it will freeze until your teeth fight at night. And for example, he chose to do it outside. This way, carbon monoxide does not easily enter the home. What do you do when it rains? Fortunately, Nobita didn't think about this problem. Life is ignited inside. I believe it won't take long. The whole room will become extremely warm. He didn't idle during this process. They brought in little sticks. The formula for harnessing the power of Balala. It becomes a trap. Needless to say, the principle of this thing, I believe all the audience masters should understand. He sprinkled some grass seeds as bait and went back to the shelter to wait for the harvest. It can only be said that Nobita is very confident in his trap. After making a cup of tea, I heard a sound coming from a distance. The family of 3 did not escape bad luck after all. In memory of these 3 lives, Nobita decided to grill it to make it glow in the flames. I don't know how good it would be to have some vegetables as a garnish at this time. Fresh quail meat is tender. Nobita also gives noodles very much and eats them all. Then hide back in the shelter to rest. This bed is big enough for him. I believe he is also satisfied with his results.